wiki.ezvid.com. Search Ezvid Wiki before you decide. Ezvid presents the 10 best embroidery kits. Let's get started with the list. Starting off our list at number 10, with the 4M Stitches and Buttons collection. Even a complete amateur can pour their creative energies into sewing cute little characters onto various canvases to give away as gifts or keep for themselves, making it a great option for children as young as 3 years old. It comes with non-metallic needles for safety and a sturdy plastic hoop. However, note that adult supervision is recommended. At number 9, for children who are novices at wielding a needle and thread, the Klutz Tiny Stitches is a great place to start. They can choose from a selection of over 100 easy-to-follow designs and use scaled-down tools to become masters of their craft in next to no time at all. It includes fabric and hoops, along with a wooden stylus for tracing. This one's intended for kids aged 10 and up. Coming in at number 8 on our list, the Dimensions Needlecrafts Counted Cross Stitch gives more advanced crafters the chance to produce elaborate scenes, such as idyllic country settings, bustling city markets, or images of majestic creatures in their natural settings. There are 21 projects to choose from, and the finished product measures 12 by 8 inches. However, it takes a great deal of time to finish. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for embroidery kits, or simply click beneath this video. At number 7, for a fun and educational choice, the Alex Toys comes with everything you'll need to learn handwork, for something as easy as a headband to more intricately embellished items like skirts and blouses with tiny flowers and vines woven around the borders. It comes in a keepsake tin with helpful and detailed instructions, but note that it also includes many small parts. Moving up our list to number 6, Aunt Martha's transfer patterns quickly iron onto almost any surface, including leather, and can be used multiple times if you desire, allowing you to have personalized homemade art to suit your taste and personality on a variety of household and wardrobe items. There are 5 different templates, and it's a handy idea for quilters. However, these are hard to see on some textiles. Halfway up our list at number 5. With the bucilla stamped pillowcases, you can add a lovely handcrafted touch to your personal space. Each pattern is mapped out for you in washable ink that's a cinch to follow, and renders results you can be proud of when used to decorate a room. It includes a trilingual instruction booklet and a soft poly-cotton blend of material, but it doesn't include floss. At number 4, the Jack Dempsey beginner samplers are ideal for introducing young learners to basic needlework skills, so they can begin to master the art and craft of turning small, smooth stitches into simple and elegant handmade designs. Each section is 6 by 8 inches and includes a larger needle for small hands, along with a hoop and instructions. Nearing the top of our list at number 3. For little ones eager to learn the art of decorative needlework, the Melissa and Doug Stitch by Color is a perfect gift idea. The 8-inch wooden board is easy for youngsters to hold on to and has matching colored lines to guide them through each step of the process. This one's suitable for ages 6 and up and features 2 different themed sets and easy-to-follow instructions. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for embroidery kits, or simply click beneath this video. At number 2, the Caydo full range includes everything a beginner will need for their project of choice from start to finish. Its sturdy bamboo hoops come in a variety of shapes and sizes that can be easily tightened with a few turns of the screw to hold the workpiece tightly in place. The floss is 100% cotton, and it comes with a clear plastic needle case and its own carrying bag. And coming in at number 1 on our list, encompassing all the essentials to get busy stitching with a programmable machine, the embroidex starter set includes 24 spools of polyester thread, 4 types of stabilizer, 30 needles, a pair of gold-plated scissors, 6,000 yards of bobbin thread, and an instructional CD. The 4 stabilizer rolls total 18 yards, and it boasts an all-inclusive assortment of notions, along with 40 project designs. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for embroidery kits, or simply click beneath this video.